How many of you have searched for how to make money online or how to be rich in your early 20s? I can bet you have. And me too. We all want money. I want money, you want money, everyone does. But here's the harsh truth. Most people will never make it because they don't know this reality about making money. Right now, millions of people are stuck in an endless loop, scrolling, procrastinating, and feeling lost. Maybe you are one of them. What the worst part is, they are chasing money without questioning if they really deserve it. Have you ever sat down and asked yourself, am I putting the necessary work to match my dreams and desire? If you are, then congratulations, you are already on your way. But if you're not, then stop daydreaming about making money out of thin air. Money doesn't work that way. You know, the harsh reality of this generation is that it is obsessed with making easy money, searching for shortcuts instead of doing the real work. Sure, money is important, but why is it that some people are making millions effortlessly while others working day and night and still remain broke? Difference isn't luck, it's mindset, strategy, and value. And there is one shift that you need to make today that will change everything. It's not what you are thinking. Value, your ultimate currency. Most of the people think that they will watch some online money-making course, do a bit of stock trading, or find a secret trick to become the next Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk. But let me tell you from my experience, none of that will work. You can't copy someone else's success and expect the same results. You need to build yourself first. You need to develop a unique personality, skills, and mindset that make you stand out. The wealthiest people on this planet spent thousands of hours mastering their craft. They didn't chase shortcuts. They created value. And value attracts money. I have read over 70 biographies of investors and entrepreneurs, and not a single one of them succeeded by choosing the easy path. In fact, most of them did the exact opposite. And that brings me to my next point. Do the hard thing. Want proof? Look at your father. He works hard every day to provide for you. He doesn't take shortcuts. He does what's necessary even when it's tough. Now think about the people you admire, the real wealthy individuals, those who built something from nothing, didn't waste time on get-rich-quick schemes. They worked hard, sacrificed, and took risks. They didn't just talk about success, they took actions. Imagine if your father came home one day and said, I am quitting my job to trade colors and stake bets online. Sounds ridiculous, right? But that's exactly what many young people are doing, chasing easy money, without understanding that real success takes years of discipline, consistency, and sacrifice. And if you are still thinking that you can get rich by watching a course on how to make money online, then keep dreaming. My next point is the mindset. A strong mindset is rare in today's world, but it's the key to success. Right now, I'm reading a book about an ordinary man who becomes one of the toughest guys of this world. I will share more about it in an upcoming video. But here's the reality. Winners and losers are separated by one thing: mindset. The most successful people have an undefeated mindset. You can break them, torture them, throw obstacles in their way, and they will still keep pushing forward. And if you can develop a mindset that cannot be shaken, you have already won half the battle. And how do you do that? By building a personal system for yourself. Identify your weakness and work on them. If you don't know what they are, ask your friends and family. They will tell you the truth. That's my next point. Company. The people around you shape your future. I heard a very powerful phrase from Brad Pitt. What's more important, the journey or the destination? And the character replied, the company. Just look at history. Steve Jobs surrounded himself with innovators. Elon Musk worked with people's brightest mind before building his empire. The people around you can either push you forward or hold you back. If your current circle is stuck in the past, unmotivated, and comfortable with mediocrity, then you need to make a change. Find like-minded individuals who challenge you, inspire you, and push you to be better. That's not using people. That's building a framework for your success. My next point is keep trying. Relentless efforts wins the game. If you are not actively working towards your goal, the problem isn't your parents, your environment, or external factors. The problem is you. You keep saying, I will start tomorrow, but tomorrow turns into next week, then next month, then never. There are no excuses. No one cares if you don't have the perfect resources or circumstances. Do the best with what you have where you are. Either you hunt for success or you get hunted by failure. It's that simple. If you fail, let people laugh. At least you experience something that they never will. Keep moving forward no matter what it takes. See, these are my experiences which I have shared with you. And at last, I would say stay focused and keep growing. And if you lose focus and become just another distracted person, you will never reach to the top, no matter what profession you choose. And these are my perspectives, and I know I still have a lot to learn, but I'm constantly working on myself, pushing forward step by step. And here's the thing, most people fail because they make one critical mistake. If you don't fix it, nothing else matters. I break it down in this video. Watch it now. Thanks for your valuable time.